I'm currently working on this quilt behind me, which uses just half square triangles in how it's made. It's called the Singularity Quilt, and it's one of the Modern Quilt Guild's Quilt of the Month. It's from January 2017, so if you've got membership to that, you can go and get that pattern for free from the Modern Quilt Guild website. Today I'm going to show you how to make half square triangles. You'll make 2 at a time and there's no waste. So the first thing you're going to need are 2 squares of fabric that are an inch bigger than your finished size. So my finished size in this case is 6 inches, so there'll be a 6.5 inch size half square triangle with the seam allowance, which means my squares are cut at 7 inches. And I've got 2 squares because we're going to make 2 half square triangles. And we're going to put them right sides together. Then you're going to need a pen. I'm just using a friction pen. And a ruler, doesn't have to be a quilting one. And then once we've got our pen and our ruler, we're just going to find the corners and mark a line diagonally. And then once you've got your line there, you can pin it if you like, and you're going to take it to the machine. You're going to have your 1/4 inch foot on your machine, and then you're going to line that up with the line that you've drawn, and then you're going to sew all the way along. If it's a little bit within a 1/4 inch, that's fine, because we're going to trim these anyway. So that's the first line of stitching. Then I'm going to flip it and do exactly the same down the other side. So now you'll have something that looks like this. Back at the mat, you're going to you can either use scissors to cut along the line, or you can use your rotary cutter. You can use a ruler if you like, but I kind of free cut it. So then you have 2 pieces, and when you press them, you will have 2 half square triangles. These ones will turn out to be a little bit bigger than 6.5 inches, just a smidgen, so you just need to trim those and make sure that they're the right size. If you, for example, you want to make 3-inch size half square triangles, you'll need to cut 4-inch squares, which will finish up at 3.5 inch once you've trimmed them, and that's generally the formula that you need to make half square triangles any size that you like.